Luxury cars have always been symbols of power, prestige, and uncompromising elegance, but in recent years, a new trend has emerged that pushes the boundaries of opulence to an almost unimaginable level: gold-plated interiors. These vehicles are not just about luxury in the conventional sense, they are statements of wealth, craftsmanship, and artistic vision, where even the tiniest details reflect a commitment to extravagance. The appeal of gold-plated interiors lies in their ability to transform an already expensive car into a rolling palace, where the richness of gold blends seamlessly with high-quality leather, polished wood, carbon fiber, and advanced technology to create an environment that is both lavish and breathtaking. From steering wheels and gear shifters to door handles, dashboards, and even air vents, gold is being incorporated in ways that are both subtle and overt, each element meticulously handcrafted by expert artisans who specialize in automotive customization. This process is far from simple. Gold plating a car's interior requires precision, patience, and a deep understanding of materials, as gold is a soft metal that must be treated carefully to ensure durability while maintaining its radiant shine. The result is an interior that not only dazzles visually but also conveys a sense of exclusivity, signaling that the owner belongs to a rarefied echelon of society that can indulge in such extraordinary luxury. Among the most popular models to receive gold-plated interiors are those from brands like Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Mercedes-Maybach, each of which already carries an aura of grandeur. Rolls-Royce, for example, offers bespoke options through its Bespoke Collective and personal commission programs, allowing clients to select everything from gold-plated seat trims to custom timepieces embedded in the dashboard. These cars often become unique, one-of-a-kind masterpieces that reflect not only the wealth of the owner but also their personal tastes and creative vision. Bentley, on the other hand, combines traditional British craftsmanship with cutting-edge customization, offering interiors where gold is harmoniously paired with the finest leathers and rare woods to create a warm, inviting, and undeniably luxurious atmosphere. Mercedes-Maybach pushes the envelope further by integrating gold-plated accents with high-tech features like OLED displays, advanced sound systems, and ambient lighting, creating a futuristic yet regal environment that feels like a private lounge on wheels. Beyond the obvious aesthetic appeal, gold-plated interiors also serve as a status symbol, a visual proclamation of success that goes beyond the ordinary luxury experience. The allure of these cars lies in the fact that no two are ever exactly the same. Each vehicle is customized according to the preferences of the buyer, meaning that owning a gold-plated luxury car is not just about driving, it is about possessing a unique work of automotive art. The market for such vehicles is limited, with prices often exceeding several $100,000 beyond the base model, making them accessible only to an elite few who demand both exclusivity and extravagance. Collectors and enthusiasts are drawn not only to the visual splendor of gold interiors but also to the meticulous engineering and artistry involved, as every inch of the interior is carefully planned, measured, and executed to perfection. Even the maintenance of these interiors requires special attention, as gold-plated surfaces must be regularly cleaned with non-abrasive materials to preserve their shine and prevent tarnishing, adding another layer of prestige to ownership. Some of the most striking examples of gold-plated interiors have appeared in custom projects where every visible component, from pedals to cup holders, is coated in gold, transforming ordinary functions into luxurious experiences. The interplay of gold with ambient lighting inside these vehicles creates a mesmerizing effect, casting warm reflections and highlighting textures in a way that accentuates the craftsmanship and attention to detail. Beyond the interior, the philosophy behind gold plating extends to the concept of personalization, where the vehicle becomes an extension of the owner's identity. Closely with designers, selecting the precise shade of gold, whether it's a traditional yellow gold, a subtle rose gold, or even white gold, to match the overall aesthetic of the car. Some go even further, commissioning custom patterns, engravings, or monograms in gold that tell a story or commemorate special milestones, ensuring that the vehicle is not just a mode of transport but a treasured heirloom. This trend is not limited to private collectors. High-profile celebrities, business magnates, and royalty are among those who commission gold-plated interiors to make a statement on red carpets, at automotive shows, or in exclusive social settings. For them, the vehicle becomes a moving symbol of influence, affluence, and taste, often drawing admiration, envy, and attention wherever it travels. The technical aspects of gold plating also involve sophisticated techniques such as electroplating, vacuum deposition, and hand-applied leafing, each chosen to achieve maximum durability without compromising the finish. The combination of artistry, engineering, and precious metals elevates these cars beyond the ordinary realm of luxury vehicles, turning them into icons of human creativity and ambition. What's more, gold-plated interiors often incorporate complementary materials that enhance the sensory experience. Soft, buttery leathers, polished exotic woods, and even carbon fiber elements provide texture and contrast, preventing the gold from appearing excessive while maintaining an aura of elegance and sophistication. The tactile sensation of touching a gold-plated steering wheel or adjusting a gear shifter becomes a moment of indulgence, a reminder that the car is not just transportation but an immersive, luxurious environment. In addition, designers often integrate advanced technology to ensure that the gold accents do not interfere with functionality, using coatings and protective layers that maintain conductivity, prevent wear, and preserve the aesthetic over years of use. The synergy between old-world opulence and modern innovation defines the ultimate appeal of gold-plated interiors, where classic luxury meets cutting-edge automotive design. These interiors also spark fascination in the broader automotive community, featuring prominently in media coverage, car exhibitions, and social media showcases, where enthusiasts marvel at the creativity, precision, and extravagance involved. The psychological impact of riding in a gold-plated interior is notable as well. Passengers experience a heightened sense of importance and exclusivity, while the visual brilliance of gold engages the senses and elevates the entire driving experience. It's no wonder that some of the most expensive luxury cars ever sold have included extensive gold-plated features, as buyers understand that this investment goes beyond material value. It represents prestige, individuality, and the ultimate expression of personal taste. Even within the luxury car market, gold-plated interiors occupy a rare niche that separates the ultra-wealthy from the merely affluent, creating a level of distinction that few other customizations can achieve. The dedication required to design, fabricate, and maintain these interiors reflects a commitment to perfection that mirrors the ethos of the brands themselves, which have spent decades cultivating reputations for excellence, elegance, and exclusivity. As this trend continues, more automakers and custom houses are experimenting with ways to incorporate gold in innovative, tasteful ways, exploring techniques such as 24-karat accents, gold leaf inlays, and even interactive, illuminated gold panels that respond to driver input. The result is a constantly evolving landscape of luxury automotive design, where tradition meets experimentation and wealth meets artistry. Ultimately, gold-plated interiors represent more than just lavish indulgence. They symbolize human ingenuity, attention to detail, and the desire to create something extraordinary that transcends functionality and becomes a true masterpiece. For those who can afford it, sitting behind a gold-accented steering wheel is not just about driving. It is about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive luxury, a sensory journey where every glance, touch, and movement reminds one of the exceptional craftsmanship, creativity, and exclusivity embodied in the vehicle. From the first glance to the final detail, luxury cars with gold-plated interiors challenge the imagination, redefine what is possible in automotive customization, and set new standards for opulence that few other innovations can match, ensuring that these cars will remain symbols of status, artistry, and timeless elegance for generations to come.